Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify privacy. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify privacy, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will enter to the window of Spotify. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Spotify. You can click uninstall and you can wait a moment to install again your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.